activated charcoal to filter water. It's ideal because it removes toxins from the water without stripping the salts and minerals that we need. And just like it does inside the body, it will grab and eliminate toxins from the water. It will absorb a range of viruses, bacteria, toxins, fungus. Just finished power washing my whole entire deck. So there's a bunch of dirty water on the ground. Let's take that. Yummy water. First thing, we're gonna strain this water to get all the big chunks out. This is the water we're gonna filter. Take some cheesecloths and cut them into little squares. So take 3 cloths and put that on the bottom with your rubber. You're gonna take the activated charcoal and put that at the bottom. When working with activated charcoal, do not use a metal spoon because that activated charcoal is gonna try and take those toxins out of that metal. Just like this. Take 3 more cloths, put that on top and wrap it with a rubber band. A homemade filter made with activated charcoal. You're going to put the water in slowly. So this is your original water. And then after filtering it just one time, here's your water. Now that's extreme case. That's like taking the dirty water from outside. If by chance something, God forbid, happens with our water supply, you can use your activated charcoal to clean it up.